The 2007 Escalade. A full-size luxury SUV, the Cadillac Escalade stands for A-list style. Thrilling, yet effortless performance combined with advanced luxury and technology that's on the leading edge of the industry makes the Escalade an easy choice and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, CD changer, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, power lift gate, tow hitch, power passenger seat, all-wheel drive, power steering, driver airbag, floor mats, keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, rear defrost, climate control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.